Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you through how to adjust the download quality for videos in YouTube Kit on your Windows device. Let's jump right in. First, open the YouTube Kit on your Windows and click on the icon located at the top right corner of the screen. You will be asked to enter your passcode here. Go ahead and type it in. Once inside the settings, find and select background and download. Here, look for the option labeled download quality and click on it. You will see the three choices: low, medium, and high quality. Pick the quality level that suits your preference and data usage. Now, every time you download a video, it will be saved at that quality you selected. Remember, choosing a lower quality helps save space and data, while higher quality provides better video clarity. And that's it, guys. If you found this tutorial useful, please smash the like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching.